The third technology I'm presenting on is called Zern. My audience for this video would be for colleagues mostly, but parents if they decided they wanted to use this at home. My objective specifically for my classroom would be students will be able to multiply and divide fractions in multi-step problems. I did use ISTE 4A and ISTE 5B. My objective is very specific in this technology, and I understand that it wouldn't be that way for all of my colleagues, but this objective is what led me to use Zern. Here is Zern. It's free and it goes for grades K through 5. I am a 6th grade teacher, but since I'm using it for remediation skills, it works great for what I'm using it for. I manually added all of my students under classes. However, you can just import a class through Google Classroom. I did it manually so that I could give them their own username and password. After logging them in, they have to enter my class code, and then you go to classes, and there's your class. Here you can click, after you create your class, you can go to grades 1 through 5, and then here you can see the overview and then the various grades that they have. So for mine, I went to grade 5, and then I found the topic that I wanted them to cover, and then I assigned that to them. So you can see that they do everything through missions. It's like you have to go through a mission to go over place value with decimal fractions, and then after you go through all of those lessons, it'll move you on to the next mission that's in line. So here, as you can see, 8 topics, 29 lessons, 4 topics, 16 lessons. And I could come in here and just pick where I wanted my kids to start. So I started mine on grade 5, mission 4, and they're going to go through all 32 lessons. If you go here to reports, it will show the progress of where your kids are at, how many badges they've earned, their bonuses. We just started using this. The tower alerts shows you where there might be some misconceptions. Sprint alerts shows you how they're doing on their fluency practice. Pace shows you how quick they're moving. I think this aligns perfectly for those who use Engage New York. Some people are even using Zern as kind of their curriculum to align with Engage. We don't use Engage, however, as I said, I'm using it for a remediation tool, so it works out very well. As I said, when kids log in, for them it looks like various games that they play, and it walks them through everything. Again, you can use this for grades K through 5. You can see where your students are at, see where they might have misconceptions. So far, I think it's provided great review for my kids for those multiplication and division of fractions.